unit and output costing. Okay, in the previous class we have seen 5th and 6th question. Okay, so today we are going to discuss the 7th question. Once you see the 7th question, my here, from the following particulars prepare a cost sheet showing cost of materials used, prime cost, work cost, cost of production, percentage of works overhead to productive wages, and percentage of general overhead to work cost he has given, and opening stock of materials, stock of finished goods, raw material purchase, productive wages, sales, stock of material unused, works overhead, office and general expenses, stock of finished goods. Nothing but closing stock of finished goods he has given, closing stock of raw material also he has given. So here what we have to do means we have to prepare a cost sheet. What we have to prepare, ma? Nothing but total cost sheet we have to prepare. In that cost sheet only we will be finding out prime cost, work cost, cost of production. Okay, but here we have a separate question that percentages also we have to find here. Okay, so I will explain you in that answer once you see the answer here, ma'am. So cost sheet. First, direct material consumed. Direct material consumed. Opening stock of raw material. Opening stock of raw material is how much? 10,000. Purchase of raw material 20,000. Listen carefully. Here I have not taken opening stock of finished goods. Why? Because opening stock of finished goods will appear under cost of production. Okay. So here we have to take only opening stock of raw material 10,000. Purchase of raw material 2,90,000. Totally how much we got here? 3 lakhs. Minus closing stock of raw material 12,500. So after deducting how much we got here? 2,87,500, and add productive wages 1,95,000. So prime cost is how much? 4,82,500 is prime cost. Next, add factory overhead. Factory overhead, how much he has given in the question? 43,000. Add. After adding the factory overhead to prime cost, work cost, how much we got here? 5,25,500. Next, administration or office overhead. Okay, office and general expenses, how much he has given? 36,000. So this amount you have to add to the work cost. Then you will be getting a cost of production 5,61,500. What he has asked in the question, till cost of production we have to prepare. Okay. Next, after that, opening stock of finished goods. Opening stock of finished goods is how much, ma? 25,500 he has given. So we have to add the opening stock of finished goods. Total how much we got here? 5,87,000 we got. From that what we have to do? Minus closing stock of finished goods. Minus closing stock of finished goods is how much? 24,000. So from cost of production, for cost of production we have to add opening stock of finished goods, and from that what we have to do? We have to deduct closing stock of finished goods. Then cost of goods sold will be how much? 5,63,000. Next, add selling and distribution overhead. Selling and distribution overhead, nothing he has given, nil. So cost of goods sold, how much we got? That one we have to bring down here. So 5,63,000. And finally, sales here, how much he has given in the question? Sales, how much he has given in the question, ma? Sales 6,06,000 he has given. So sales we have to take 6,06,000. From sales we have to deduct this 5,63,000. Then profit you will be getting 43,000. Profit how much you will be getting, ma? 43,000. Okay. So cost sheet we have done. Here he has asked percentages also. So once you see the formulas for that. Okay, here. Percentage of works overhead to productive wages. What is the formula here? Means factory expenses. Okay, factory expenses or factory overhead. Factory expense or factory overhead divided by wages into 100. Divided by wages into 100, ma. So factory expenses or factory overheads is how much here? 43,000. So 43,000 divided by wages. Wages how much he has given in the question? Wages how much he has given? 1,95,000 he has given wages. So for factory expenses divided by wages into 100. So percentage how much we got here? 22.05% we got. Percentage of general overhead to the work cost. Office here what is the formula? Means general expenses or office expenses divided by work cost into 100. General expenses how much he has given in the question? 36,000. Work cost how much we got here? Work cost how much we got? 5,25,500. So 5,25,500 into 100. You will be getting a 6.85%. Okay, na? So this is the 7th question, ma. So this percentage is very important for the long questions. So perfect with this. Okay. Next, coming to the 8th question, you see. Okay. 8th question. So for product A, the prime cost is 20 rupees per unit he has given. Factory overheads are 20% of prime cost. Administration overheads are 25% on work cost. Profit is 25% on selling price. Calculate selling price, he has said. What he has given directly, prime cost per unit he has given. 20 rupees per unit he has given. From prime cost itself we have to do. Okay, prime cost. So listen carefully, ma. Prime cost 20 rupees per unit directly has given. Factory overheads, what he has said, 20% on prime cost he has said. Okay, factory overheads, how we have to calculate on this 20 rupees, we have to do this 20%. Administration, how much he has said, 25% of work cost he had said. And for profit, what he has given, on selling price, 25% he has given. Selling price he has given in the question? No, he has not given. Okay, so listen carefully. So prime cost 20 we have taken. Factory overhead, what he has said, 20 on this prime cost, 20% he has said. So 20 into 20% means how much? 4. So work cost is how much? 24. Office overhead, for office overhead, what he has said, ma? Office overhead 25% he has said. So on this 24 we have to calculate 25%. Then how much we will be getting? 6. So work cost plus office overhead, total cost of production is how much? 30. Then finally profit, what he has given, profit 25% on selling price he has given, but here selling price has given? No. So same point I have said you in the fourth question, again I'm repeating it. Nothing but here sales we have to think 100%. Okay, if profit is 25%, then cost of production will be how much? 75%. Okay, now on this cost of production, what we have to do means 30 into 25 divided by 75, nothing but rate divided by 100 minus rate here. Okay, so 30 into 25 divided by 75. How we got the 75 here? Sales we have to think 100 and profit is nothing but 25. So and cost of production will be a 75, nothing but cost of production plus profit. By adding that only we will be getting 100% of sales. Okay, so here what we have to do now, here cost of production we have to think as a 75. So 30 into 25 divided by 75 and profit will be 10. 30 plus 10, so totally sales is how much, ma? 40. Okay, after that next 9th and 10th in the next video.